On behalf of Campus to Career Crossroads, we want to welcome you to College Planner Pro. We are going to provide a general overview of the areas that we tend to use most frequently during our college planning meetings. So let's get started. Once you receive your College Planner Pro login, when you log in for the first time, your screen should look like this. On the left-hand side, you will see the various tabs that can help you easily navigate the site. Let's start with the Colleges tab. When you click on the Colleges tab, your screen will show the suggested colleges on the left and the My List of Colleges on the right. The suggested colleges is typically reserved for your consultant to do simply that, make suggestions. These suggestions will be based on previous conversations about intended major or criteria you are looking for in a school, including size, location, and other areas of importance. The My List section is typically reserved for schools that you are planning to apply to or simply have on your initial list. You can add or delete from this list at any time, and if you find that one of the suggested schools is now of interest, you can simply use the arrow to move it to the My List section. As we get further along in this process, you can start to move the schools up or down based on your interest. And you can also add notes directly related to the school. For instance, if you would like to add notes about a visit, you can simply click on the school and then click on the Add Note button. Let's move on to the Testing tab. This is a great way to keep track of all your scores. Start by clicking on the Add Test Date button, and you will have the chance to add in any SAT, ACT scores, and even practice test scores. We recommend updating this section after you've received scores from each test. The final tab I want to talk about today is the Files tab. This is extremely important because this is where we house all of our worksheets we use in preparation for the Common App, but it also houses other important and useful documents that you can access at any time. When you click on the Files tab, you will see two sections. On the left, you will see the My Uploaded Files section, and this is where you can add in any important documents that you want us to be aware of. Those can be files such as your unofficial transcripts, a resume if you have one, or any other important information you think would be helpful. On the right-hand side, you will see the files from your consultant. This is where we will start with the general folder. Typically, what you will find here are the documents that we will start with during our initial meeting. They include the junior year planning outline and the completed Berkman assessment for career exploration. We have also included a college visit tracker that can be helpful when planning school visits. The next folder is the Common App folder. This one is extremely important because this is where you will find all of those working documents that I just mentioned. The Common App Activities worksheet helps you prepare for the descriptions of all your activities and mimics the actual Common App Activities section. So by the time we are actually finished with this, you will simply be able to cut and paste into the Common App. The same goes for the Essay Brainstorming worksheet. This is where we will keep all active notes about essay topics, and you can also use it to develop your essay draft so that we can easily discuss during every meeting. Again, the final product can be cut and pasted into the Common App when complete. The final folder I want to talk about is the Helpful Resources folder. This is typically where we can put any general documents that may be helpful to our clients. Items like questions to ask on a college visit, the type of admission plans, application trends that we are seeing, and information about letters of recommendation. Anytime we have a useful document, that will be where you can find it. Again, this is an overview of College Planner Pro, and thank you for listening.